Hello consumers, good day. Today let us discuss on consumer movement and the women, because the Indian population consists of almost 50% women. When women are not participating actively in the consumer movement, then the consumer movement naturally will not be successful. Not only that, if women are not encouraged to participate in the consumer movement, then we are not doing any justice for that gender. But even if we bring them into the consumer movement, will they stay in the consumer movement? That is to be seen. Because for several years, our culture is male dominated. So naturally, females are taking the back seat. But I don't agree if somebody says that women are not participating in the consumer movement in India. If you recollect, you will find during 1960s, the first consumer organization was started by 9 housewives. How can you say that women are not active in consumer movement? Because they feel the pinch of cheating, fraud, adulteration and everything. During those days, that means 1960s, when adulteration was rampant, when there is a scarcity of commodities, definitely it gives rise to adulteration. Adulteration and price rise motivated these 9 housewives to start a consumer organization to fight against adulteration and price manipulation. So that way, women will always be active because they are directly affected by these malpractices. They know much better than the males as far as these frauds are concerned. We don't observe the quality well like women. Women, when they go, even they purchase vegetables or a cloth, they look at the quality, then only they purchase. So their presence in the consumer movement for any reason is very important. So consumer movement would definitely take the help of women to make it a real force. But women are not evincing such interest in consumer movement. They listen to the awareness camps, they understand it, and they also can say the same information to their neighbors and the family members, which a male would seldom do. He will never inform the important things which he learned about the market frauds. He would keep it by himself but never disclose it to others. Whereas a woman does it. A woman definitely makes all her neighbors and all her contacts to understand this kind of fraud. In this respect, women's participation in consumer movement is a welcome sign. But unfortunately, women are endowed with 2 responsibilities. One is she works in the house 24/7. There is no rest. She is the last person to sleep and the first person to get up. She doesn't find time virtually to spend in consumer movement. This might be one reason why women are not coming forward actively in the consumer movement. And not only that, our culture prohibits her to take decisions on her own. She has to consult her family members and then only to do. Suppose if she makes a proposal that she wants to join in a consumer organization, she has to obtain permission from her husband or from her mother-in-law, so on and so forth. Instead of making such efforts, better keep quiet. That's how she might think. So our social customs are not really favoring her to actively participate in the consumer movement. Next one is she doesn't have financial freedom. When one enters into the consumer movement, definitely they will have to spend some money for the activities, for arranging meeting, for propagating, for printing, and even for that she has to obtain permission from her relatives. So when there is no social freedom, when there is no financial freedom, she opts for not taking important part in the consumer movement. Another aspect is she cannot fight like men with the erring trader. She cannot go for a street fight, whereas a male can do that. That probably limits her activity in the consumer movement. And women literary levels are a bit low. Though nowadays many are educated and taking degrees, but still majority of villagers, they are not good at education. Their literacy levels are low. This is one reason probably that is obstructing them to join the consumer movement. Another aspect is a woman cannot travel alone to attend meetings taking place in other states or in other cities. This is another important aspect that prevents her to take up activities in the consumer movement. Otherwise, in my opinion, the consumer movement should be run only by women, not by men. Thank you.
ఈ కార్యక్రమం మీకు ఎంతో నచ్చింది కదా. ఇటువంటి మరిన్ని వీడియోల కోసం 18 కోట్లకు పైన వ్యూస్ సాధించిన డాక్టర్ సమరం మల్టీ ఛానల్ నెట్వర్క్ సమర్పించు గోరా వినియోగి ఛానల్ కు సబ్స్క్రైబ్ చేయండి. అలాగే ప్రక్కనున్న గంట సింబల్ ని ప్రెస్ చేయడం మర్చిపోకండి.
Please download Samaram multi-channel app and watch your favorite channels from your mobile. App available on Google Play Store and subscribe to the channels.